guys, welcome back to my video, and today we'll be testing a natural indicator which is the red cabbage into the acid base and a neutral substance. So today I'm in my home in the kitchen doing this experiment to show you guys how the natural indicator, the red cabbage. So let's get straight to the experiment. Okay, so I have this as the citric acid. This is the citric acid, which is actually an acid, because you can say like citric acid. The name says it's an acid, citric acid. Okay, and this is the baking soda, which is a base. A baking soda is a base, all of you know, which is used in a cake, like to puff it up. And I have the water to dilute it and to test the neutral. And so let's get straight into the video. So first thing you have to do is you have to take your blender. I've already made some juice over here, so let me make some in front of you also. And now let's just take some leaves. So you're supposed to pull some out and take a scissors and cut it. Make sure you don't cut your hands. Okay, and now let's just add some. You can even use your hands to do it, but I'm using the scissors. So I think this is enough. Just fold it up. Yep. This experiment is really easy, so let's add some water. If you take diluted water, that's also good, but many people say that you have to filter it, but there's no particular use of filtering, because today we are going to do without filtering. Let's blend it. Okay, so I have my juice here. Okay, you can add some more of this. I have blended it now. Okay, so now let's make our solutions for acid, bases and salts. So now we have our citric acid right over here. Generally we get two types of cabbage, which is the red cabbage, and one more comes the green cabbage. The green cabbage is common, so in this experiment you should use only red cabbage. So now we are going to do acid in it, citric acid, and base in this, and neutral in this glass. Okay, so let's add some citric acid in it. This much citric acid will be enough. A bit more. And some base for the basic solution. Baking soda base. And let's add the water now. And this one I'm not going to add anything because the water is neutral. The pH value is 7. So for your clarification, I have kept citric acid near to this one and baking soda near to the basic solution. This glass is base and this glass zinc acid is acid, and this is the neutral in the center. Okay, so what is red cabbage? Now red cabbage is a vegetable which is also a natural indicator to indicate an acid or a base. So if it is an acid, it turns into pinkish color. The higher acidic it is, it turns the more dark pinker, and the less acidic it is, it turns the light pink color. If you add it in the base, it turns blue, and as usual in neutral it's not going to change its color, it's going to remain the same color. It can get a bit lighter because we are going to add it into the water, but it's going to be same. Now let us test it. Everybody see, this is purple in color right now. Purple in color. And now let's first give it a great mix. So this became acidic. Change the spoon. This became basic now. Let's just mix it. And now this is neutral. No need to mix because we didn't add anything in it. Now the moment of truth. Let us see if it really turns its color, and it's really gonna turn its color now. Let's add. It's purple now. Let's see. Hope you can see it. It has turned pink in color. You can see the color change. The more clear pink it is the more stronger base. And now let's add in the base first. Blue. Right? Blue. And now in the neutral, water. It doesn't change its color. Let us mix it. This is the acid spoon. The neutral color is the same, and now you can see the comparison. This one, the indicator and the acid, the neutral and the indicator, the base and the indicator. So we can get to know clearly that red cabbage is a natural indicator because we didn't add any chemical in this red cabbage. And so this is a great way to identify. And yeah, this was our experiment. You also try it at home because these materials are easily available at the store or at your home. Instead of using the citric acid, you can even use lemon, and in place of using the baking soda, you can even use your bathroom soap, body wash soap. So we have successfully changed our colors from acid, neutral and base. The final thing, now if we mix the base and acid together, it becomes neutral, and if it changes its color to purple or not. If it changes its color to purple, then it makes it neutral, right? Then it means that it's neutral because purple indicates neutral. And if it doesn't change, then something's wrong, right? Some amount is much and some amount is low. Okay, so now let's add it in the acid. All of them are weak. Like this can be a bit stronger, but this is a weak one and this is also a weak one. It's not too high. If it would be high, then it would harm us. So if I mix the base to the acid, this color should be obtained as neutral. And if the color is slightly less or slightly low, it might be that we have not added the exact amount of it. That's okay. But it should change its color to purple. Let's see it now. You can see it has changed its color to purplish color. It's not exactly the same purple, but yeah, it has turned into purple, indicating as it's a neutral, right? Because acid base equal to neutral. And you can even know once you're mixing color, painting or doing something, if you mix the red and the blue, it makes purple, right? It's all purple now. See, it's neutral. Thanks a lot for watching. Hope you like my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.